Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Noval from class K5. My student ID 25018221. In this video, I would like to present my listening log reflection. The topic I chose is magic, including magic, different type of magic, school of magic, and the idea of whether real magic actually exists. I chose the topic because magic is often misunderstood. Most people think magic is only about stage trick of fantasy movies. However, after listening to several videos, I realized that magic can also be discussed from spiritual, cultural, historical, and psychological perspective. To the listening activity, I also aim to improve my listening comprehension, vocabulary, and critical thinking skill. Listening material 1. What is magic? The first video I listened to is What is magic? Before listening, I want to understand what magic actually means and how it is different from common magic or illusion. I expect the video to explain the true meaning and purpose of magic. After listening, I learned that magic is not about trick or entertainment. Instead, it refers to occult of spiritual practice, such as ritual, intention, belief, and inner transformation. One important point from the video is that magic focuses on changing the self and consciousness rather than controlling the external world directly. One important point from the video is that magic focuses more on changing the self and consciousness. However, I face difficulties because some explanations were abstract and used unfamiliar terms. To overcome this, I paused the video, reply difficult parts, and wrote down key ideas so I could understand them better. Listening material 2. Every type of magic explained. The second video is Every type of magic explained in 35 minutes. I listening to this video because I want to explore many type of magic in one video. The video explained a wide range of magic, such as elemental magic, sound magic, techno magic, blood magic, necromancy, and grand or nature magic, shadow magic, dream magic, and many others. From this video, I learned that magic is very broad concept, and different culture or belief system interpret magic in different ways. I felt satisfied because the video gave me many examples and helped me understand how different magic concepts can be. The difficult I faced was that explanation were something too fast and many terms were new to me. To deal with this problem, I replayed certain sections, turned on subtitle, and searched the meaning of the magic term afterward. Listening 3. Does real magic exist? Wait. The third video is Does real magic exist? Featuring a discussion between experts, I listened to this video because I was curious whether magic could exist beyond entertainment or illusion. From this discussion, I learned that magic has existed throughout human history, not only as ritual, but also as symbolism, hidden knowledge, belief system, and cultural tradition. The speaker explained that magic can also be understood psychologically, wait, see, psychologically, as a way humans try to influence reality, find meaning, or deal with uncertainty. I was satisfied because the video helped me see magic not as something childish or unrealistic, but as part of human culture and philosophy. However, the difficulty was understanding philosophical language and historical reference. To overcome this, I focus on the main ideas instead of trying to understand every detail. Listening for School of Magic. The fourth video is what are the different schools of magic. I listened to this video to understand how magic can be classified into different schools or categories. The video explained that magic is not one-dimensional, but divided into branches such as elemental magic, necromancy, illusion magic, and enchantment. This classification helped me understand magic in a more structured way, similar to system used in fantasy stories or game, but also applicable to real belief system. I was satisfied because the explanation was clear. The difficulty was unfamiliar terminology, which I solved by writing down the term and searching their meaning after. The meaning later. Lesson material 5. Real magic and quantum concept. The last video I listened is Real magic influence the quantum realm. I chose the video because I was curious about the claim that intention and consciousness can influence reality. From this video, I learned that that real magic is not described as supernatural power, but as mindset, intention, focus, and belief. The video explained the idea of synchronity, where meaningful coincidence happen when our inner state aligns with external situation. The difficulty was understanding quantum and metaphysical concepts because they are abstract. To deal with this, I focus on the main message rather than technically explanation. Overall, this listening activity helped me in several ways. First, it improved my listening skill, especially overall, this listening activity helped me in several ways. First, it improved my my listening skill, especially when dealing with long and complex explanation. Second, I learned many new vocabulary items, especially abstract and philosophical terms. Third, it trained me to think critically because not all ideas presented should be accepted without reflection. I also learned that magic can be interpreted not only as supernatural power but as human belief, culture, mindset, and symbolism. Conclusion In conclusion, through this listening material, I learned that magic is a complex and multi-dimensional concept. This activity helped me improve my listening comprehension, expand my knowledge, and develop critical thinking skill. Even though some parts were difficult, I'm satisfied with what I have learned. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Muhammad Noval. See you next time. Bye bye.